In our own country, there are allegedly places where Filipinos are not allowed. Complaints from Filipinos against Korean establishments with a no Pinoy policy have been spreading on social media. According to them, in Pampanga, there are establishments that supposedly only accept foreigners, particularly Koreans, and refuse Filipinos unless they are accompanied by a foreigner. This is a troubling situation where, in our own land, we seem to be treated as second-class citizens. After receiving reports that Filipinos were not allowed to enter some Korean establishments in Pampanga, we immediately went there to investigate. According to those we interviewed, along the so-called Red Street in Angeles, Pampanga, most KTV bars and restaurants are considered Korean only. Even some Filipino staff admitted that there were alleged directives from Korean owners not to accept fellow Filipinos as customers in order to keep the establishments exclusive to foreigners. Some even claim that Filipinos are considered dangerous, an allegation that clearly suggests discrimination. Did something happen to you? Yes, yes, yes. What happened? That's why Filipinos are not allowed. So it's still exclusive? No Filipinos allowed? Go back. Why? Because they're dangerous. Why are they dangerous? Some Filipinos cause trouble. There's even a video. Because of this, we immediately coordinated with the authorities. One of those contacted was the Korean ambassador to the Philippines, Lee Sang-hwa. We submitted a comprehensive report to the embassy to inform them of the situation. After 2 days, action was taken. Through coordination between the program and the embassy, establishments were ordered to issue a formal apology and commit to being discrimination-free. A resolution was also formed by the local Entertainment Association and the Central Zone Korean Association to promote proper conduct among Koreans in the area. Inspections by the Korean Community Association were also made stricter. I have been informed that Clark community leaders in Angeles and Clark recently convened a consultative meeting with representatives from various local associations and the leadership of the entertainment sector. During this dialogue, Korean establishment owners agreed on the need to thoroughly review their conduct and communication to identify any actions or language that could be perceived as discriminatory. While emphasizing that such incidents are not intended or generally practiced, they recognized the seriousness of the matter. We remain committed to fostering a harmonious relationship between our communities and value continued leadership in this regard. The program also coordinated with the local government of Angeles City. It was learned that there is already an existing ordinance against discrimination in business establishments. The LGU and the Department of the Interior and Local Government, DILG, are currently reviewing the implementation of this ordinance and the accountability of those who continue to violate it. We stand against discrimination in all forms and remain committed to upholding the rights and dignity of every Angelino and visitor. To ensure a safe and lawful business environment, I have directed the Business Permit and Licensing Division to regularly inspect the operations of Korean-operated businesses. The LGU will continue to monitor, enforce, and communicate with transparency to ensure that Angeles remains a fair and inclusive city for all. Businesses have the right to earn, but this is not a license to discriminate. As chairman of the Senate Committee on Foreign Relations, this kind of discrimination against Filipinos is unacceptable and carries penalties, fines, legal cases, and possible closure of the business. The course of action is clear. Strengthen inspections by local governments, strictly enforce the law, and ensure immediate action against establishments that violate it. It must also be clear Filipinos will never be second-class citizens in their own country. If there is abuse in your area, report it to my office. You can message me on Facebook or call the numbers on the screen so we can take action. I am Erwin Tulfo, an ally of the oppressed. Thank you.